I'm not colorblind. I know the world is black and white. Try to keep an open mind, but I just can't sleep on this tonight. Stop this train, I wanna get off and go back home again. I can't take the speed it's moving in. I know I can't, but honestly, won't someone stop this train? Don't know how else to say it. Don't wanna see my parents go. One generation's linked away, I'm fighting life out on my own. Stop this train, I wanna get off and go back home again. I can't take the speed it's moving in. No, I can't, but honestly, will someone stop this train? So scared of getting older, I'm only gonna be young. So I play the numbers game to find a way to say that life has just begun. And I talked with my old man, said help me understand. He said turn 68, don't renegotiate. Don't stop this train, don't for a minute change the place you're in. Don't think I couldn't ever understand, I tried my hands, then honestly, we'll never stop this train. Once in a while, when it's good, it'll feel like it should, 'cause they're all still around, and they're still safe and sound. And you don't miss a thing till you cry when you're driving away in the dark, singing stop this train. I wanna get off and go back home again. I can't take the speed it's moving in. No, I can't, 'cause now I see I'll never stop this train.